fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with another unboxing from Crafties. This one came in a box with absolutely nothing on it, no stickers or anything, so I'm going to get this out of the box and we'll see which one it is. Be right back. All right, we've got our drills, we've got our toolkit. I'm letting the canvas relax. I'm going to set the drills aside. This is a square kit. So I'm kind of curious to see how it looks because I've never done a square from Crafties before. So let's look and see what's in our toolkit. So a pretty basic toolkit. We get our boat, we get 4 squares of wax, we get 2 diamond painting pens, one that has a 3-placer on the end, we get 2 scrunchies, we get 2 extra multi-placers, a 6 and a 9-placer, and we get some tweezers. I'm not sure why the tweezers, if that just comes in all their toolkits, or if there's some ABs or special drills in here. We'll see. So what kit am I doing? It is called Jinx by Seda Koskin. It is a 50 by 50 and it is square drills, like I said. We've got 40 colors, some interesting symbols that I'm seeing here. Trying to look and see if, okay, there's a Q, but there's no O. So that's good. Ooh, 5 and 6 look like they might be kind of difficult to tell apart. They're both black letters on, or black numbers on blue backgrounds. So we'll see about that. But everything else looks pretty good. I don't think I'll have any trouble other than that one. So let me grab the canvas. And here it is. This is actually one that I've wanted to do for a while, and I've looked at it several times and just had never gotten it. This one is called Jinx, and I just love her little face. She just looks so happy and carefree, and I'm not usually a big portrait person, but this one just called to me for some reason. So we have 40 colors, and it doesn't look like we have any ABs, which is fine. And we do have 310 and 3371. So a lot of black, it looks like, in the background, which is not necessarily my favorite thing, but color blocking makes it go faster, right? We do have a schematic on both sides, and then they've just got their logo and their stuff here. So it says it's 50 by 50. So let's measure. It is 50 by 49 and a half. So pretty close to their 50 by 50. I just really like her little tilted head here. She just looks really playful. She looks like she's out in the sun having a good time. All right, let me get the drills out and we'll look at those. Like I said, I'm really curious to see how this works because I've never done a square from Crafties before, so we'll see what I think. So what drills do we have? We have a kind of dull dark red. We've got a bright peach. I'm going to assume that's probably part of her skin. It is the majority of her skin. That seems like a very bright peach. We'll see what that looks like. We've got kind of a dull pink, a dark red, a gray, a dark blue. Oof, there is our huge bag of 310. There is another bag of dark blue. This is a bigger bag than all the others. We've got a dark mauve, a very dark red, kind of a slate gray, another kind of orangey coral color, a dark blue, another kind of peachy color. We've got kind of a dark mustard color, light brown, kind of a mauve, a milk chocolate color, kind of a dusky rose, a salmon. We've got a bag of 3371, that dark brown. We've got a lighter blue. We've got a dark red, kind of a sky blue, a tan, another kind of salmon color, a peach, a dark gray, another kind of pinky peach, a very, very dark red, another dark red, dark salmon color, an orange, another pink, a light peach, a red, another kind of orangish brown, a brick red, kind of a dull orangish red, and another kind of dull orange. I think this is the color that concerns me most. This seems way too bright for a skin color, but I guess we'll try it and see. So there is Jinx from Crafties. I will, as always, stick a link to this down below so that you guys can check it out. I believe this 50 by 50 size is listed at $51.98. Again, there are 40 colors. Hi guys, Editing Daphne here. I have had a chance to put some drills on the canvas. Couple of things. I am actually pleasantly surprised at how nice the squares are. They have gone together pretty nicely with very little gapping, even in the lighter colors. So very happy with how the drills are turning out. Not as gappy as I had feared they would be at all. If you look, you can see they're just fitting together really nicely. So I'm enjoying that part of it. However, I'm still not sold on the skin tones. I think these colors here, these kind of off-white beige colors are cool, but fading into these kind of orangey peaches, I'm not really sure how that's going to look. This kind of bright pinky peach right here is most of her face, or at least the biggest portions of her face. So I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. That being said, I did another one that was kind of a portrait like this. It was a diamond painting shop, and I wasn't sure about the colors of the skin in that one either. And by the time I got done, it all looked good. So I think this is one of these. I'm just going to kind of have to trust the process. And even if it looks a little bit weird right now, hopefully once I get everything done, it won't. Because her hair is blue and everything is black, so it may not be as stark as I think it's going to be, but we'll see. All right, back to the rest of the unboxing. And this will be my first square from Crafties, so we'll see how it goes. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.